Hello there, my name is Frosh TV and you're watching Frosh TV. In order to put an end to this, wait, you might be asking, put an end to what? Put an end to me reacting to Planet Sounds. Because look, I literally received, I don't know, around 10 messages from literally the two same persons saying, react to this, react to that. And I got links, okay? So I want to stop this. I mean, not that I don't want to react to it. Of course I want to react to it, you know, because I want to check out space, because space is actually really interesting. You know, it interests me out because, you know, there might be some aliens out there, you know. They can, you know, abduct these two people that's texting me and never text me back again. No, I'm just kidding, right? Alright, guys, chill. We're gonna check out 5 impossible things that can happen on other planets. Now I'm sure I haven't checked this out, but hey, these kind of videos might be boring to you, but it's not boring to me, so fuck off. I'm just kidding. Please stay. Oh my god, that's so fucking weird.
There are some things that are just not possible on our planet. It would certainly be understandable that you would think that if it's impossible here on Earth, then it would be impossible everywhere else in the universe.
Yeah,
but that's simply not the case, and the universe is far stranger than any of us can actually believe. Let's begin with shadows. Your shadow on Earth is always alone, and you're always used to seeing it this way as it floats around during
What's
the
that
day.
dog doing?
You're
Like,
also used to seeing everybody else with just one.
It's that weird YouTuber who doesn't even have 1,000 subscribers.
No, but this isn't a universal thing that would be experienced elsewhere. You have one shadow because our primary light source on Earth is our sun. But what would happen if there were 2 suns?
2 shadows.
A planet
I
that
mean,
orbits 2 stars would look much like Tatooine from Star Wars, with 2 brilliant sunsets each day and 2 shadows instead of 1 for each person. It used to only be science fiction until the planet Kepler 16b
there
was
we go.
discovered,
Until
which
the
is a place that
planet.
orbits 2 different
Look, you know,
stars. If
anything
you were
is possible.
teleported to the surface of the planet, you would likely die from the extreme temperatures and lack of air to breathe, but assuming that you were teleported in a suit that could help you survive, then you would experience having 2 different shadows.
Alright.
A friend for your always lonely shadow that you experience.
Come on, that's the same
Earth.
person.
Our next extremely bizarre place is a planet that is likely completely covered in water, an ocean planet named GJ-1214b.
GJ-1214b.
The planet is several times larger than the Earth, which makes the Pacific Ocean on our planet seem like a puddle in comparison. Even though water covers over 70% of the Earth's surface, water only accounts for 0.05% of the Earth's total mass. On GJ-1214b, however, water may account for up to 10% of the planet's total mass.
Oh, I don't get it, but wow, because space is supposed to be... Ah, damn!
Our own ocean goes down only a mere 11 kilometers, and we already
a mere 11... An ocean full of water, like, I don't know, 360 around you, water 11 kilometers.
Monsters like
that's literally
or huge whales
part
like this.
2 of hell.
So, one's imagination can run absolutely wild with what fantastical monsters could exist in an ocean that's over 10 times deeper than our own. Who knows what could be lurking there if you crash-landed your ship on the surface, but what is known is that at the very bottom of this massive ocean, hundreds of kilometers beneath the surface,
I swear to you, my house is fucking haunted. Look, I've been hearing sounds since I went, I don't know, ghost hunting in that, I don't know, abandoned office building. Man, it's just really weird.
Will be so intense that the water at the bottom will be transformed into an exotic form of ice known as Ice 7. This ice wouldn't be like ice that you know on Earth. It wouldn't be cold at all.
It's like the Fast and Furious movies, you know, Fast 5, you know, Fast and Furious 6, you know, Ice 7.
It wouldn't be cold at all.
Like, you know, ice cold, more stronger cold ice.
On Earth, but neither does our next bizarre example. Weather on Earth is often violent and unpredictable, but it's extremely tame compared to other places in the universe.
Of course!
Take the planet COROT-7b, for example, where instead of raining water, it rains down rocks.
Oh shit!
Half of the planet is scorching hot at 2,000.
Okay, you take your umbrella on that one, you get, I don't know, how many holes that is.
degrees Celsius, while the other half is far cooler at 177 degrees Celsius. The temperature on the hot side is enough to vaporize rocks, and just like how water will evaporate and condense into clouds on Earth, so too will rocks condense into rock clouds on this planet.
Oh,
These strange rock clouds will then rain liquid rock or magma back onto the surface. But since the atmosphere...
Liquid rock? Look, I'm not a science guy, but what the fuck is liquid rock? Rock and liquid are like two different, I don't know, parts of the world, like two different ends, like far away from each other. Okay, but then science just brings them together, like liquid rock. I don't get it. I don't know, I might be wrong. Look, I might be wrong, but I'm just saying.
The further up it goes, and the temperature on the cool side is far lower, the magma rain will often harden into rocks before striking the ground.
Rock cloud.
This
Imagine
planet seems
how
like the
scary
closest
that
place
would
to
be.
hell that a place
We'll
in the universe
get some
could
good
get,
photo
but
shoots,
another
though.
planet has perhaps even more bizarre weather. This planet, known as HD 189773b, is
These names are just
53
killing me.
light
Like,
years away.
how do they even memorize all this name? Like, yeah, sometimes I even forget the name of our. What is this star that's outside? How do we remember his name?
On that planet, HD180D4AB CD647.619 Fox Sherlock Holmes.
Away from us is a little larger than Jupiter and looks stunningly beautiful from space, but that beauty is hiding a terrifying secret.
Oh.
It looks this way because the planet's atmosphere
Just
is made
like my
primarily of
girlfriend.
silicate
Just kidding, I'm
particles.
single forever.
Winds on the planet can scream at
Single.
5,400 miles per hour, equal to 2 kilometers every second,
Oh, 2
or
kilom-
7 times the speed of sound. Temperatures
Bro,
can
you would get
soar
blown
up to
away into next week,
930
bro.
degrees Celsius,
Damn, that's-
But most terrifying of all is that the planet rains glass sideways in its
Okay, it rains glass. Okay, kind of scary, but yeah, okay, it rains glass. But then rains glass sideways, like every piece of glass that touches you, and it will touch you, will scar you for life, like literally.
extremely violent 2 kilometer per second winds. This is so fast and scary that if a storm like that happened to appear on Earth, it would travel across the entire planet at the equator in just 5 hours and 33
Oh my
minutes,
God.
and leave behind a shredded trail of glass. But even this storm pales in comparison to the mightiest wind
Wait,
so far known
there's
in
another
our
one?
entire universe, the wind on the planet HD 189.
Okay, here we go with the name again.
This is a gas
High
planet with
definition
one
4K,
side
8K,
always facing
68p,
its star,
1080,
where
3D,
temperatures can
64
reach a
line.
scorching 966 degrees Celsius.
966.
But the temperature on the dark
How do
side
you
is
even
still
calculate
very hot
exactly-
at 688
exactly that amount, like-
degrees Celsius. So, how does the dark side remain so
Bruh.
hot still? The answer is extremely wickedly
I'm lucky to be
fast
on Earth,
wind,
yo.
Possibly
I am so damn lucky to be on Earth. I just don't know why, but I'm lucky to be on Earth. Well, I guess they'll be it because I've actually, you know, realized that Earth is the safest place for you to be. Okay, so just stop whatever you're doing. Just, you know, chill out. You know, your life, and you know, maybe you might survive on planet Earth. Well, okay. Don't forget that planet HD 750 64 940B is raining with glass. Well, I've heard of a planet that actually rains acid, which is quite much more terrifying than glass. But hey, we're on Earth, so there's no chance of us being there. Like, no chance in, you know, no. Oh my god! How is this?